Accelerate your digital twin journey with the DT Hub workshops using Axis, a digital collaboration platform. Created with knowledge and expert input from DT Hub members, the workshops are designed for everyone interested in developing a digital twin business case. To help you run an effective and productive workshop, the DT Hub has worked with Axis to create 3 templates, all free for you to use. They'll help you create alignment around detailed and specific ideas, with decisions that stick and actions that are owned. The workshops are designed to be run over 120 to 180 minutes and are entirely ready to run. The objective, key questions and activities are all pre-packaged. There are 3 different templates according to the different stages your organisation may be at in your digital twin journey. If digital twin is a new concept to your organisation and you wish to explore the potential, Workshop 1 is for you. If digital twin is a well understood concept across your organisation and recognised as strategically important, Workshop 2 is for you. This is usually when digital twin ambition is clear and there may already be pilots in flight. Finally, if your organisation is up and running and driving value at scale from initial use cases, you'll be ready to use Workshop 3. At this point, the organisation is aligned and accountabilities are clear, and the use case roadmap is defined with a compelling investment case. Axis is designed to make it simple and easy to facilitate, with nothing to download. You just need to click Start. Once started, simply present or share your screen on a TV, projector, or any video conferencing software with your participants. Your participants can log in with their smartphone, tablet, or computer using either the QR code or the link. Axis provides a step-by-step facilitator workflow. As the facilitator clicks right, the participants' devices will follow with clear instructions. All inputs are anonymous to stimulate creative and innovative thinking without self-doubt. At the end, there is no write-up. Just export the outputs into Excel, ready to drive forward your digital twin business case. Visit the Axis website and register for free to accelerate your digital twin journey.